Modern minimalist designs utilize concrete stairs and glass windows to blend indoor dining spaces with outdoor nature, creating serene, sophisticated environments through natural light and textures. Luxury facades combine wood and stone exteriors with expansive glass to illuminate interiors. Twilight ambience enhances warm lighting, while manicured boxwood and hydrangeas elevate walkway appeal. Contemporary minimalist houses feature white facades and black flat roofs. Natural wood accents and gray stacked stone complement large black-framed windows within lush green landscaped gardens. Sleek, modern, minimalist houses with floor-to-ceiling glass nestle in dense forests. Symmetrical stone paths flanked by blooming white hydrangeas and lush green ground cover create rich greens. Photorealistic modern single-story houses feature flat roofs and white facades. Light stone accent walls and raised wooden decks lead to entrances surrounded by lush green lawns brightly. Luxurious modern houses with glass and wood facades nestle in twilight forests. Giant redwood trees and manicured gardens with spherical bushes complement golden interior lights glowing. Sleek, modern, minimalist white houses feature grand wooden entrance doors and geometric designs. Manicured green topiaries and vibrant trees invite guests under distant forested mountains brightly. Wide shots of minimalist U-shaped modern houses show white walls and extensive glass windows. Multi-level wooden decks with outdoor dining sets surround dense green trees brightly. Minimalist modern white flat-roofed houses feature prominent wooden front doors and large floor-to-ceiling glass windows. Lush green lawns and perfectly manicured round bushes create symmetrical compositions brightly. Minimalist modern houses with flat roofs feature prominent wooden doors and large glass windows. Concrete walls covered in dense ivy and white blooming shrubs surround forests. Bright, luxurious outdoor decks feature white modern sofas and coffee tables with flowers. Dining sets on polished wooden floors overlook lush green mountain valleys with trees. Front views of minimalist dark gray modern houses feature flat roofs and large glass windows. Tall pine trees and vibrant gardens with spherical hedges flank paths. Front views of sleek, modern, white two-story modern houses feature vibrant green window frames. Meticulously landscaped gardens include lush green lawns, sculpted hedges, and geometric paths. Golden sunsets over tranquil seas show horizons blazing with crimson and amber. Gentle waves reflect fiery light, while distant mountains silhouette in dusk and trees sway. Sleek, modern houses feature gray stone facades and light walls. Overhanging wood eaves and large windows reveal warm interiors. Lush native landscaping features floating stone steps.